Today I am defining the angiosperm. The angiosperms are the flowering plant that bear the seed enclosed within the fruit. They are the large division of the plant that produce flowers and have seed enclosed within an ovary. Now I am defining the general characteristics. So the number one characteristics is that they are the seeded vascular plant, means to say they are the flowering plant. Number 2 is angiosperm is the 90% successful plant on the land. Number 3 is the angiosperm is the flower and fruit producing plant. Number 4 characteristics is that they are the heterosporous. Heterosporous means two different spores are produced. Number 1 is microspore, that is called small spores. And number 2 is megaspore, that is called large spores. Microspore produce pollen grains and megaspore produce ovule or egg, also known as female gametophyte. The plant body of the angiosperm is a sporophyte, means diploid generation. Gametophyte generation occur inside the ovule. In the angiosperm, the double fertilization occur. Their ovule developed into the seed and fruit is developed from the ovary. Now I am defining the flower and their structure. So first of all, you know that flower is the reproductive part of the plant body. Now I am defining the structure of flower. So number 1 is receptacle. Receptacle is the axis, means to say stem, to which the floral organs are attached. Number 2 structure is sepals. Sepals is the green leafy structures that is called sepals, and sepals also known as calyx. Number 3 is petals. Petals are the brightly colored, are usually shaped to attract the pollinators. All of the petals of the flowers are collectively known as corolla. Number 3 is stamen. Stamens are the male reproductive organs of the flowering plant. They consist of an anther, the site of the pollen development, and in most species, a stalk-like filament which transmits the water and nutrients through the anther and positions it to lead the pollen dispersal. Number 5 is carpel. The carpel is the ovule-bearing female reproductive organ of the flowering plant and is required to ensure its protection and efficient fertilization and the development of diversified types of the fruits. Thereby, it is a vital element of the most food crops. You can see the diagram of flower. In flower, the ovary is produced. The ovary is a female reproductive organ found in flowering plant. It is found in the gynoecium of the flower. It performs a part of the pistil. It contains the ovules and is situated at the base or the point of the meeting of the sepals and petals. The pistil may have a single carpel of the several carpels fused together. You can also see the receptacle in the flower. The receptacle is the part of the flower stalk where the part of the flower are attached. You can also see the sepals in the flower. The sepal is the outer part of the flower. Often they are the green and leaf-like structure that enclose a developing bud. And you can also see the petals in the flower. The petals are the modified leaves and are often brightly colored to attract the specific pollinators to the flower. You can also see the style in the flower diagram. So the style of the flower is the stalk that support the stigma and connect it to the ovary. One major function of the style is to assist with fertilization by being the location where the pollen tubes travel to deliver the sperm cells to the egg. You can also see the stigma in the flower diagram. So, the stigma is a part of the female reproductive system of the flower. It is found in the center of a flower and helps to collect the pollens. The stigma is on the top of the style and is the apex of the reproductive system. It is waxy or sticky to collect the dry pollens, which is blown by the wind or transferred by insects. You can also see the anther in the diagram of the flower. An anther is the top bulbous portion of the stamen and is where the male gametophyte or male reproductive cells are produced in the flower. The male reproductive part is called stamen and is broken into the two parts that is called filament and the anther. So question arises that what is the filament? So I am defining the filament. The filament is the stalk that support the pollen-bearing anther in the male reproductive organ, means to say stamen of the flower. A long strand of the similar cells joined end to end is found, for example, in certain bacteria, fungi, and algae. Thanks for watching.